And today we're going to be checking out this little toy drone right here. That's right, this is a small foldable camera drone, sub 250 gram, so no remote ID, no license, and no permitting required. You can fly this pretty much anywhere, and it's going to be a great little drone for that beginning drone enthusiast in your house. So let's go ahead. We're going to point the camera down. I'm going to show you everything that you're going to get with this little guy, and I'm going to show you some footage of me flying it. So let's get to it. Alright, so of course you're going to get the drone first. You can see you have the little camera right here in the front, and you can adjust this manually if you want it to look straight down or whatever angle you want to tilt the camera at. It is foldable, as you can tell, just like so. It does have a removable battery in the back. Push the little button on the bottom there. Slide your battery out. Has the power button on top. Just hold it down. You can see you have some nice flashing LEDs right there. Let me angle it, get the glare off. In the front as well. Also with the drone, you're going to get this really nice little carrying case. You're going to get a full set of prop guards. That's if you're flying indoors, because this cannot handle wind. It either has to be calm outdoors or you can fly it indoors. You get your manual, you get your USB to USB Type-C chargers. You're going to get some extra props and a screwdriver for changing them. 2 silica gel packs. You will get a second battery. And then of course you have your controller. Your controller does have the flip up phone holder, so you can see what the drone sees as you're flying. You have a speed button up here. You have a 360 flip button right here. You have things like auto takeoff. It'll maintain its height. You have your video and photo button here. You have an emergency stop button. A lot of features for a standard little drone like this. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and cut to the footage of me flying the drone, and then we'll come back and talk about a few more specs and details. Alright, so we're going to put this little guy in the air. See how it flies. I'll try to keep it in camera view. Now it does have a multi-speed select. We're going to put it in 3. You have the choice between 1, 2, or 3. This is the number 3 speed. You can also do some really cool flips. What you do is you hit the flip button and push a direction that you want to flip. So we're going to go do a forward flip. Just like that. Now we're going to do a, let's do a back flip. Let's do another back flip. Now we can do, let's do a flip to the right. I think that was another back flip. Let's try the right again. There we go. Let's go the other way. That was a left flip. So quite easy to control. It's pretty responsive. It does have the auto takeoff function. You can see that it handles pretty well. I will show you a little bit of the footage coming from this. Of course, it's not stabilized. It's not on a gimbal. So if you want smooth footage, you have to fly smooth, not like I've been doing. But overall, a fairly nice little flyer. I haven't flown in a while, and I'm not having any control issues. It is a little breezy out here, and it seems to be handling it quite fine. So as far as a flying check goes, it passes that. It can fly. So as you can see, it's a quite capable little flyer. The camera footage is 1080p. It's not the absolute best in the world, but you got to understand that this is a beginner drone, and it's really more fun to fly it than what you're actually seeing with it. But if you do want to peek around, if you do want to look at your backyard, if you do want to get a photo of your house from up high, you can do that with this little guy. But really, this is going to be great for someone learning to fly, just getting into the hobby, to decide if they even want to buy a bigger and more expensive drone. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.